Welcome to Say Tech TV show. Today, we're featuring your favorite parts of computer. We have a computer case, keyboard, speaker, webcam, printer, and mouse. So, let's go! Is a computer case. A computer case, also known as chassis, tower, or system unit, is the protective enclosure housing a computer's internal components such as motherboard, CPU, power supply, storage drives, and cooling system. It serves as its structural foundation for organizing a safeguarding hardware while enabling airflow and connectivity. The main function of the computer case is to protect, organize, and maintain the internal components of a computer system, ensuring optimal performance, longevity, and usability. A computer case is a backbone of system integrity, combining protection, cooling, and organization to ensure reliability, a reliable operation while accommodating diverse users' needs. A computer case is a crucial to a computer system because it integrates hardware protection, thermal management, and functional organization, ensuring the system operates efficiently, safety, and durably. Without a computer case, components would be exposed to physical damage, overheating, and electromagnetic interference.
A keyboard in a computer is a primary input device that allows users to enter text, numbers, commands, and symbols into a computer system by pressing keys. It serves as the main interface for communicating instructions and data to the computer. The main function of a key in a computer is to serve as the primary input device, enabling users to interact with the system by typing text, executing commands, and controlling software or hardware. A keyboard is the bridge between users and computers, translating keystrokes and actionable commands while adapting to diverse needs from typing emails to complex gaming. Because a keyboard is crucial to a computer system, it serves as the primary interface for human-computer interaction, enabling essential functions like data input, command execution, and system control. Because without a keyboard, basic tasks like logging in, searching files, or navigating menus would require cumbersome alternatives.
Speakers and headphones are output devices used with a computer. They take the sound signal from the computer and change them into sounds we can hear. Speakers play the sounds out loud into the room, while headphones go over or in your ears so only you can hear the sounds. They are usually connected by a cable or Bluetooth. The main function of a speaker and headphones is to let us hear the audio from the computer. This audio can be anything like music, sounds from games, voices and video calls, or instruction from learning apps. They help user understand and enjoy what the computer is doing by hearing it. Speakers and headphones are important because they make the computer more useful and fun. Without them, we would not hear music, watch movies properly, or play games with sounds. They also help people with hearing problem by letting them control the volume. For school or work, they are useful in listening to online classes, meeting, or video tutorials.
A small digital camera typically connected to a computer that captures video and transmits it in real time over the internet. The main function of a webcam in a computer is to capture and transmit video in real time over the internet. They enable video communication and capture, making it possible to participate in video calls, online meeting, and create videos.
A printer. A printer in a computer system is an output device that converts digital data like text, images, or graphics into a physical hard copies on paper or other media. It bridges the digital content with the tangible formats, enabling users to preserve, share, or present information. The main function of a printer in a computer is to convert digital data into physical hard copies, enabling users to preserve, share, or present information on paper on other media. This core function bridges digital content with tangible formats, making it indispensable for tasks like creating documents, photos, or reports. While modern printers offer advanced features like scanning and mobile connectivity, their primary role remains transforming digital ideas into physical reality. A printer is important to a computer system because it bridges the digital and physical worlds, enabling users to create tangible, shareable, and archival copies of digital content. Here's why printer remains indispensable: because of physical documentation and accessibility and usability.
A computer mouse is an essential input device that allows users to interact with computer's graphical user's interface. By controlling an on-screen cursor, it detects movement through mechanical, optical, or laser sensors and translates it into cursor motion. Invented by Douglas and Gilbert in 1964. The first mouse was a wooden device with two wheels. The main function of a mouse is to move the cursor on the screen and select things. You click to choose things and you can usually scroll with it too. The mouse is important because it's the easiest way to interact with most computer programs. Without it, using a computer would be much harder.